This strategy has given me over 85% win rate overall in the past year. And last week, I made $11,200 using it. I'm going to be going over the 3 trades I took last week and how I was able to make so much money and how you guys could use the exact same strategy that I am using to have such a high win rate and truly become profitable. Going to be going over this all right now, so please stay tuned. I'm going to be going over the 3 trades and then a quick breakdown of my strategy. All right, so I took 3 trades this week. First one I made $9,850. Second one I made 1,010, and third one I made 410. First two I took option contracts. This one I took it on NQ using futures. This strategy is honestly the best with NQ, but I do prefer options simply because I have a lot more money into it, and I love to swing trade, and I also have it with the same broker as my IRA. But that's besides the point. Let me go over my trades that I took. Let's go over the first one. This is the one that made me $9,850. Crazy. A lot of you cannot even. A lot of you guys can't even make this in like 3 months, and I just made it in 10 minutes, right? So let me go over. First, what do we have? We have manipulation. Perfect. Market rejects all 15-minute fair value. 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. What happens? We see order flows coming up. We have a lot of displacement towards the upside, and then we reject off the same turtle soup or the same manipulation that we had here. Also, this is a rejection block, and market rejects off that. Perfect. We come up, displace towards the upside right after this rejection block. Okay. Displace, and we cut through this inverse value gap. Okay, we'll say our entry with the second one if we see displacement. Okay, perfect. We see displacement. A lot of displacement here. Our entry there. Aiming for 1-to-1. And we don't aim for that many points. Usually on NQ, I would say aim for 20 to 30 points. The reason behind this is simply because if you are seeing displacement, order flow will let you take 20 to 30 points after. Any more than that, then you will have a lower win rate than 90. It's as simple as that. My win rate is so high. Like if you should genuinely go see the last couple this month, I've taken 6 trades and I have a 100% win rate. Why? Because when you're on off displacement, like for example here, if I aim for any higher points, I would have got reversed, and eventually market just kept just doing that. And there's another thing that we do when we're trading the strategy. And the thing that we do is we trade between certain time. And the best time that I found that market works best is in from 9:45, right? Eastern to 10:15. And that is truly the best time where you can find the best entries. After that, you'll see market consolidates. And there's 2 other times that I have in my Discord, which you guys should join up. And those are the best times where you can trade NQ and also ES. So in this case, what do we have? Again, we displace. We're in the best optimal time to trade. We're aiming, we set up standard deviation. We're aiming for the -4 range because we're on all-time highs. Okay, and guess what happens? The market hits that TP perfectly, and then we reject off of it. It's the strategy is so simple, and the reason why I aim for what this is like you on NQ, this would have been like 35 points or like 30, yeah, like more. I wouldn't even say aim for this much, but in this case, I just aimed because I got really confident. But in this case, sorry. This is simply why we aim for 20, 30 points again. Why? Because order flow lets you, after displacement, to run 20 to 30 points. Price runs like that. If you ever just sit on a chart and you see displacement after every single time, after manipulation, right? Then you will see that the market is going to move exactly like this for 20 to 30 points. If you truly see true displacement, which in this case we do, right? So it's very, very simple. Let me go over the next trade real quick. All right, here is the next trade. This is actually an A+ setup. So we've got order flow. We have liquidity sweep right here, some sort of manipulation. Perfect. Market goes up, rejects. We're off this high. What do we have? Off this fair value gap. Market rejects it. Okay, we displace this inverse fair value gap. Or we don't displace through it, but we break through it. Okay, perfect. Our entry, straight off what? Off displacement, up of these highs. Aiming for 1-to-1. We have speed and efficiency throughout this candle. Again, not aiming for anything crazy. On NQ, this would have been like 30 points or 20. And you could have ran higher, you see. But in this case, we're not being greedy because after displacement, it runs 20 to 30 points. So there's no need to be greedy. All right. This was literally a textbook setup. Perfect entry. It ran exactly how I wanted it to. So yeah. All right, so let's quickly go over it. What do we first find? Manipulation, right? I'm not even going to type this out, but let's say, okay, perfect. We manipulate. It's liquidity sweep right here. Maybe turtle sweep or something. Okay. After that, we wait for market to, and before, honestly, this is the A plus setup. We wait for AMD. Maybe we have some accumulation before. Perfect. Accumulation. Then we have manipulate. And then we want to enter for distribution. We already crossed this high. Maybe we crossed some sort of imbalance. What does market do? Rebalances. Perfect. We have displacement of this high. Aiming for 1-to-1, right? Your TP will hit. All the time your TP will hit. I get so much more in depth with this in my Discord. I have a whole bunch of lectures on there, and I have daily group calls that I'm actually going to hop into right after I make this video. And if you go and ask any of my Discord members right now that are in there how good this trading strategy is, I promise you they will say it's broken. Literally, I posted on my story some guy saying how broken this shit is because he joined the Discord the other day. He won 6 times in a row just because he followed all the rules. He's been backtesting. He literally no live backtesting, and it's crazy. He got far. It's always the same thing. It's literally you guys have to make sure you keep it simple and just follow your psychological rules. Once you guys do that, you will truly have profitability. It doesn't come simply, but in this case, you have a simple strategy. You have to refine it. You have to learn it, and you have to get the best out of it. And you can do that through what? Discord. All you guys need to do, just put in the time, and then you will get to your goals, just like anything else in life. So yeah, that's basically the strategy. It's very, very simple. Obviously, it gets more and more in depth. I get more in depth with it in my Discord, so you guys should join that up. And if you guys are having trouble paying for fundeds or anything, I'm with Trade Nova right now. So if you guys go on the Trade Nova app, right, the journaling app, they have an affiliate program that lets you get 50% commissions. That means off every single person you refer, you can make like 10 to 20 bucks. You farm that shit, bro. You're getting like 200 bucks a month. Very, very simply. But yeah, join the Discord, catch in with everyone else, and I'll catch y'all. All right, peace out.